All right, a little update on the 2020 F150 Coyote. As you can see from last time, we have wheels and it's dropped. These are 22-inch dub ballers on 305 40/22s all the way around. Turned out really good. We're riding on a I8C 4.6 drop. It's the kit directly bolted on, nothing special. It sits perfect, launches perfect, just need some traction bars. We are rocking the MBRP side exit exhaust. I'll be painting those black here soon. Got rid of most of the chrome, just need to delete the front and rear bumpers. Alpha Rex Pro headlights with LEDs. I got the magnetic gray grille. Like I said, we'll do something with that front bumper. It's been ceramic coated by Detailed Life, no less. Under the hood, we've got UPR catch can, UPR breather. We've got the ported intake manifold, JLT intake cover, and there's a 130 or 170 thermostat, and that's it for bolt-ons. We're running an OZ Tune E85. Well, it's an E85 premium blend, really, but there you go. We'll have more updates here soon. This is a customer car. We're just freshening it up. We did it sometime last year, ceramic coated. This is a pretty sick car. Custom everything, custom interior, digital dash, exhaust, killer wheels. I mean, this car has absolutely no detail missed. It is LS swapped as well. Well, you know what? Let's just pop the hood real quick on this bad boy. Ta-da! Lots of chrome. Sick, nasty motor swap. Chrome everything there. Concept One pulleys. Shout out to Concept One for their awesome work. I mean, what can you say? It's just sick, nasty. Got the Ken Diggett handles. It is a manual car. That is a digital dash. So anyway, that's an update on those cars. There's the wife's. But that's it for now. Harley's chilling over there. There's my stock grill. We'll get some more updates soon. Get the traction bars put on and hopefully get a track day visit. Anyway, Rick and Beckler out. See ya!